Alright, now most people on YouTube are positively talking about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, but nobody's pointing out the downgrades this watch has got. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the negatives or let's say downgrades of this watch, and let me tell you why you should not be buying this watch. Instead, you should go for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic or any other Galaxy watches. First, the reverse wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging is an incredible feature. You can just place your watch on the back of your phone and start charging your watch. When you do not have a charger on you when you travel, and if your watch is dying, then your phone will be the savior. You can keep the watch on the back of your phone to reverse wireless charge your watch to get some juice to keep going. But that reverse wireless charging will not be available on your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And for that matter, even on the Watch 7, there is no reverse wireless charging because of the brand new sensor Samsung has added on these watches. Now, if you look at the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, it does support reverse wireless charging, which is fantastic. Next, this watch comes with just one size, which is 46mm. Users with small wrist sizes might feel uncomfortable wearing this watch. Even though the dial suits most of the wrists, the strap is going to be longer on the tiny wrists. You may have to change the watch strap and get a thinner watch strap for your watch, and yet you might not be 100% comfortable with it. Whereas on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, Samsung offered two different sizes, 43mm and 47mm. Depending on your wrist size and your preferences, you can opt for those options. Like I said, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic does suit most of the wrists, but people with smaller wrists may not be 100% comfortable, mainly because of the strap size and could be because of the dial size as well. That is subjective. The next downgrade or a con will be the smaller display for this 46mm dial. The Watch 8 Classic has a 1.34-inch display, which is smaller than the almost 1.5-inch display found on the 47mm Watch 6 Classic. So the watch is large, it's 46mm, but the display is smaller than the one that we get on the larger version of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So if you are looking for a larger screen real estate, then this is not the watch for you. You should go for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Next downgrade is again related to the display itself. That's the lower resolution and pixel density on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic compared to the Watch 6 Classic. While the Watch 8 Classic's display is brighter, its resolution is 438 by 438 pixels and pixel density are slightly lower than the 47mm Watch 6 Classic's 480 by 480 pixels, potentially making things appear less sharp on the larger model. Then comes the pixel density. The pixel density on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's larger variant is 453 ppi, whereas the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's pixel density is just 327 ppi. Now, it may not matter much to most people, but if you're someone who appreciates that crisp and clear display, then the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic offers it. But in terms of vividness, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic seems to be slightly better. However, the pixel density is quite low. Next, the weight. Despite the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic being slightly thinner than the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, it weighs about 63.5 gram compared to 59 grams on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So definitely there is some bulk to it and there is some weight to it, and you can feel it when you wear the watch. It is a minor difference, but yes, there is a difference here. Next, the loss of classic aesthetics on this watch. For many, the Classic series embodied a particular elegance and traditional watch design. The Watch 8 Classic's shift towards the ultra design language might alienate those who loved the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's more refined and less rugged appearance. You and I have got mixed opinions about this design. I really prefer the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's design to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's design. And most of the viewers on my channel mentioned that the Watch 6 Classic looks better compared to the Watch 8 Classic. So I'm pretty sure majority of the people in the market would appreciate the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's design compared to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic's design. The Watch 8 Classic has this cushion design, squircle in shape, but the display is round, and because of that, the space on these corners are wasted, making the watch look bulkier than the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Next, the battery life. The battery size is slightly bigger on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, which is at about 445 mAh, whereas the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's larger variant gets 425 mAh battery. But the worry here is, because of the advanced sensor and advanced health features, the battery life could be at par with the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I'm testing it. I will come back to you guys with the battery test results on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic very soon on the review video. So stay tuned for that video and be sure to subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit the like for this video. Now moving on, the charging speed has not improved. It is still 10-watt wireless charging on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, which is the same for the last few years. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic also gets the same 10-watt wireless charging. Next, the new features may not justify the compromises. While the Watch 8 Classic offers a newer, more powerful processor which is Exynos W1000, more storage at 64GB, dual-band GPS and new health features like vascular load, running coach, antioxidant index, etc., some users might feel these improvements don't outweigh the perceived downgrades in the design, display size options or cost, especially if you are happy with the Watch 6 Classic's existing feature set. Many of the new software features will also come to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic via updates, except for the features like vascular load, antioxidant index, running coach, AG's index, high stress alert. But all these features may not matter to majority of the people out there. So yes, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic comes with a higher launch price tag compared to the Watch 6 Classic, which will be available at a much cheaper rates now. So in terms of pricing, definitely the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is going to be more economical. So if you're planning to buy a Galaxy Watch Classic series and contemplating between the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and the Watch 6 Classic, do consider all these points which I mentioned, and you might want to go for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic instead of the Watch 8 Classic. And if you're someone who owns a Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, I would say there is no need to upgrade your watch unless you're fascinated by all these brand new health-centric features. And if you're a tech enthusiast who wants to upgrade every year or every iteration, then yeah, then you can go for the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Otherwise, you can stick to the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic for probably another 1 or 2 years, because you're also getting the One UI Watch 8 and probably One UI Watch 9 and 10 as well. So your watch will be updated for the next couple of years, so nothing to worry on the software upgrade part as well. This is something which I wanted to share with you guys. These are some of the downgrades on the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and definitely there are many upgrades as well. But whether those upgrades matter to you is something that you need to keep in mind while taking a decision on these two watches. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, subscribe, give this video a like. Let's reach at least 1,000 likes for this video. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.